Who wants to take a guess what electrolyte is? Electrolyte is a solution or a substance that allows electricity to be absorbed by the battery. So what that means is whether it's water or a gel substance, sometimes an electrolyte will even be metal. Okay, it very much depends on the type of battery and what you're using the battery for. Or it doesn't even have to be in batteries, it can be used in multiple different areas. But essentially, if you want to have the absorbing of electricity, the allowing in of electricity, then you're going to have an electrolyte. Okay, so what we're going to do is imagine, in our basic terms, that electrolyte is a gel. Okay, it's like a solution, it's a gel. And on these plates, you have this gel on the plates. Why would you have the gel on the plates? Don't you want the cells to not be touching? So why is there a gel on the plates? Conduction. That is the word. So conduction is that we talked about. It's the accepting in of electricity. Okay? So for example, we are conductors. Our human bodies are conductors. We know if we touch an electric fence, we get shocked, right? Because the electricity travels. We conduct it. It travels through our body. Why does it do that? Because we are made of 70% water. All liquid is a conductor of electricity. Okay? Cool. So why do we need a conductor on these plates of the battery? So what?
So that the power can
circulate. How are you going to get the power to the cell from being outside the battery if you don't have something to make the power go to the cell? You need circulation, okay? These electrolytes allow for the electricity to travel through the battery so it can get to the right cells. Okay, cool. Because otherwise you're just going to have a battery there, you plug something in, and then the electricity just stops. There's no way for it to actually travel in. I want you guys to think of it this way. This room that we are in now is a cell. It houses electricity, aka it houses us. But in order for us to get here, we have to travel a passageway. We come through the passageway. And that passageway is the electrolyte. And to get to the passageway, we have to come through a door. And that door is the plug point where you charge your battery. Okay, so it goes, you plug it in, and then the door opens and the electricity can come in through the passageway, aka the electrolyte, until it gets to the cell where it then is able to come in and be in the cell. Okay, cool.